go on manifesting powers that will actually make you healthy, wealthy. For example, if you are moving a matter, don't think just you are only moving a matter. You will be cleaning your liver and kidney and heart during those moments. If you even medically test, your internal organs will be at their best performance. When you move a matter, time stops working on you and the anti-aging happens to you. A reversal of all the physical damage done to your body by time happens. If you just move a matter through power manifestation, your yoga will become amazing. Your digestion will become amazing. And your wealth manifestation will become amazing. Because you need to understand all power manifests from the space of Mahadeva, Sadashiva. It's not that for each power you have a separate mantra and you use that mantra, only that power manifests. No. You use tantra, not mantra, which is same for all power manifestation. Go on be power manifesting. Go on be reaching out to others. Go on be causing. I tell you. That just makes you a pure channel of Mahadeva, Sadashiva. That makes you a pure channel of Sadashiva. So I have only 2-3 things to share with you all as further post-program support. One, for few more days continue power manifestation and don't miss satsang. I wanted all of you to know that I'm absolutely healthy and just moving around. Still that ferociousness is yet to settle down. That is why still I am not talking to any Adinavasis or not conducting any Adinavasi meeting. Not meeting anybody. I'm just living on my own. I'm just moving around, not letting anybody to come near me. And that's still settling has to happen. And so essence, what I wanted to convey to all of you now, every day at least 1 hour play with power manifestation, minimum. Whole day going on playing is the best way. Even if you go and sit in the beach or lake, play with the water. Just instruct and water will listen to whatever you say. Be part of this Sangha. That will help you tons of ways to do power manifestation. Start Sangha meetings, SMKT meetings everywhere. Meet people who are initiated in Mahasadashivoham or Sadashivoham or Inner Awakening. More and more do power manifestation. Let your life be built, grounded on power manifestation. Every way, think and align. Let your life be grounded on power manifestation. And every day, watch Alive Satsang. Don't miss the Satsang, whether live or alive. Come to 31st Chandragrahana Punyakala, Shivastra Mahashanti Homa and Mahasadashiva Homa Aushada. See, what you know as love is possessing. But I'm fire, how will you possess me? What I know as my love is just making you one with me. If you try to hug the fire, you will become fire. So this whole thing, happens in a different plane. All right. So, essence is power manifestation, satsang, comfort, Mahasadashiva Homa Aushada preparation, blessings. I am with you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, Mahasadashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.
குறையிலா உயிர்கள் வாழ் மறை நற்றவம் வேள்வி மல்க மேன்மை கொள் சைவ நீதி விளங்குக உலகமெல்லாம் மேன்மை கொள் சைவ நீதி விளங்குக உலகம்.